Automatic coating machine have elevator, coating machine, PLC system, vacuum feeding system, syrup tank and output conveyor. Suitable for coating on all kinds of beans and nuts. Egg peanut, cashew nut, broad bean, green peas, sunflower seeds. It can save EBR person, saved formulation easily reusable. Consistent and product shape, size and quality, as process is automated, flexible and product. Centralized touch screen control to manage and product formulation. Manufactured using high-quality stainless steel.